and content creator and the former also editor-in-chief of Sunstar Davao. Maayong buntag, Sir RJ, and welcome sa Straight to the Point Weekend Edition. Okay, nakamute ata si Sir RJ.
Ayun,
Ay,
mayang buntag.
yes, maayong buntag, Sir RJ, and welcome sa Straight to the Point Weekend Edition, sir.
Mayang buntag.
Yes, okay. Diretso ko sa pangutanan ako nimo, sir. Should customers overstay ba gid daw sa mga coffee shops?
Ang amua ayos is mo depende na sa kuan. When it comes to overstaying, marag mahatag unta gamay na mindfulness ang mga uban in when they're staying at the coffee shop ba kay at the end of the day kini mga kapihan
Oo.
mga gusto pod ni sila, no, so be mindful lang po not only sa business but also sa mga uban nga gasulod gawas sa coffee shop. So kung okay ra nang kanang tulo ka oras, upat ka oras, that's not a problem. Pero kung labaw na kag more than 5 hours, that's an issue na ba. Kay o 8 hours ka tapos isa ra ka kape imong nag-order o isa ra ka bagay imong gi-order, marag dili siya pud siya makatabang sa business. And then also when you go there, marag much better unta nga kung ikaw ra isa ang table nga imong occupy is katong good for one person or good for two persons lang ana ba. So marag mahulog yun na siya sa mindfulness sa customers.
Kamo ba sa inyong coffee shop, sir, naga-limita ba mo or gina-inform ninyo ang mga customers nato nga naa lang tayo limit sa ato ang mga oras when in line?
Wala man kay at the end of the day po kanang mo depende po na sa design sa kapehan. Naagid mga coffee shops nga naka-design gud sila to cater to mga estudyante, sa mga remote workers. Amo ang coffee shop is not designed for that. Our coffee shop is designed for more like a place for you to chill and hang out. So I think makitaan pod na ninyo kung matug mga kapihan ba. So usay mahibaw-an na sa tao if kini nga kapihan pwede siya ka na magtambay og dugay para mag-work ug mag-study, or kini nga kapihan kay para ra gyud og pangape og mag-hang out with friends.
So karon ya unsa imong sir no reaction apo regarding aning mga post pod nato sa atong mga kaigsuonan nga ni-reacted sila nga na yung mga students nga diha na gyud nag-study gihimong personal space gyud ang kaning mga coffee shops nato.
I think everyone is entitled to their own opinions mo, no, kay mag debate yun among the people. You have coffee shop owners chiming in, you have regular customers chiming in, but ang ako at the end of the day it will fall sa mahulog man gud sa ato ang coffee culture nga motambay sa coffee shops, no.
Yes, exactly.
Kay I think mao gyud ang naandan nato. If you look back at mga coffee shops before were really designed, or ang setup nila was designed for people to have meetings, for people to work. Kuan siya baka nang mura siya a different environment for them to work in, aside sa ilang mga opisina, aside sa ilang mga home office. So for me, ang ako alang is one, mahulog og need sa mga customer nga maging mindful ra gyud. They have to discern or read the room gyud, no, kanang dapat lantaw nila if kini nga kapehan para gyud og pang study o pang work. Kung dili edi mangita na lang sila glain na naman pud mga co-working space nga available for them to work or to study, and that would allow them to stay there for a very long time. If you see the coffee shop is not designed for it, then ayaw na lang pagdugay. Di na lang ka magkuan, study or work dito. Dito na lang ka mangape, mag-hang out with friends or mag-chill lang. And for coffee shops rin, I think it's also important for them to also understand their design, no? Who their target market is. If their target market are students, then of course, most likely mo dugay gid ang mga estudyante da kay they see the place as a conducive place to study or to hang out with friends.
Before ka na nagtukod ni ining coffee shop nimo, Sir RJ, no, nasubaybayan pod ka namo sa imuhang mga vlogs diha sa different coffee shops dinis dakbayan sa Davao. Unsa imong observation sa mga Davaoenos no when it comes to dinhi na kultura nato sa pagpangape?
Well, pre-pandemic ang ato ang culture diri is we treat coffee shops good as a place for many, as a place where they could work, where they could study. Daghan gamitin og mga coffee shops maybe because of the atmosphere. Kay mostly sa mga coffee shops then kay kuan yun ilang atmosphere, it's very conducive na for people to sit down and work or study or have meetings. Pero karon murag naagi hapon na siya nga culture ba nga people still see coffee shops as somewhere they could study, somewhere they could work. And then recent lang yun ganang people seeing coffee shops or more people seeing coffee shops or appreciating coffee shops as a place where they could get good coffee or as a place where they could chill and hang out with friends.
Mhm. Pero kani pagdili o pagbawal sa mga estudyante sa coffee shops, are you in favor ani?
Ako kay dili ko in favor ana kay from business perspective kuan man gihapon ni sila kanang imuha gihapon ni sila nga customers, and in the long run may mupod nimo sila regular customers pa, so regular paying customers gihapon ni sila. It's just that I think kuan pud na siya prerogative po na sa coffee shop on how they will
Approach
put in place mga measures that could allow them to maximize their earnings, allow them to maximize their profits while serving mga students and mga workers nga nangitag remote place to work. Ayun. So dili man siya necessary ban. I think kuan na pud na mahulog na pud na sa imuhang design If imuhang i-design imong coffee shop para maka-cater kag daghan students, maka-cater kag daghan nga mga workers, of course daghan gyud mo students and workers mato sa imuha para mag-work and study. Pero kung imuhang i-design pa lang na for just having coffee, just relaxing, so people will come here for coffee, for chilling with friends. Ayun. So sa design phase nyo pa lang or sa planning phase nyo pa lang, ma-determine na ninyo kung who will be your customers in the long run.
Lastly, Sir RJ, basig na kay mensahe sa mga Davaoeños nato.
Ang ako ara is continue to support your local coffee shops. No, dili ra na siya kanang mo tambay ka mo palit ka dira, pero kuan pod kanang be also mindful of them. No, kay kini sila mga negosyo po ni sila who are trying to feed people, who are giving opportunities to people. So if we limit their opportunity to grow and to increase their profits, then you're also shortening their lifespan ba. So continue to support their local coffee shops by, let's say kung anto ka dito mag-work ka, mag-study, make sure pod kanang imong ma-order. Yeah, kung maggugay raman ka dito, make sure pod kanang imong order kay butang na to kuan kanang it's enough or it's equivalent for the time you're staying pa. So let's say mo stay ka dito 8 hours. Ako I used to stay at coffee shops for 8 hours before. Ako twice good ko mag-order. So I have my first order pag abot na ko, and then I have a second order. And usually suyo gyud nako na nga mo order kog food and coffee sa second. So first I have coffee, sa second before I leave na ko'y food and coffee. It's also my way of thanking the coffee shop for allowing me to stay long and use their fast Wi-Fi, good service, and
Thank you so much, Sir RJ, sa imuhang panahon nagihatag dinhi sa RMN Davao, sir.
Thank you.
Straight to the point. Weekend edition.
Mga kasama, nakauban na to Sir RJ Lumawag, a co-owner sa Hidden Coffee, usa ka content creator and former journalist of Denise Dakbayan sa Davao.
Straight to the point. Weekend edition.
Kitang tanan nagtinguha og longer life, pero dili tanan willing puy-an ang healthy lifestyle. Kada adlaw, tumara ang Life Extension Vitamin D3. Di kalidad, limpyo og scientifically formulated nga klase sa Vitamin D3. 100% made and formulated kini sa Life Extension Foundation, ang pinakadako og pinakalapad nga medical group didto sa US. Ang usa ka soft gel adunay 1,000 international unit strength or concentration sa vitamin D. Hinungdan nga kini ang